So, hi! Welcome sa ating orientation video for chat moderator. My name is Diane and I will be your assigned team supervisor once you pursue this application. And for today's topic, we will be discussing about the payment method and the job descriptions. So let's start this training video. So first, the job description. And as an operator, you will be responsible for answering chat in our dashboard, and the messages are received from various dating sites. Clients come on this website for a nice conversation or to make their fantasies come true, talk about their fantasies or to share them. Messages will be from casual to erotic type of topics, and then your messages must make that possible. And the better and the more interesting your messages are, the sooner the client will return and the more money you will earn. Better quality means earning more money, and when you have a nice conversation with the client, our system will see to it that the client comes to you again and again. In this way, you can consequently answer more messages even quicker because you don't have to read again. But you can continue in the current conversations, and again, this is strictly non-voice accounts. And since we are working for dating sites, expect nyo na marami talagang erotic type of topics. At sana, wala nang magugulat, lalo na kung nagsisimulan or nakapag-start na kayo. Kasi most sa mga client natin, gusto niyan makikipag-sex chat at mga below the belt talaga yung mga topic. And sana wala nang magugulat doon. Kung hindi ka sanay or hindi ka komportable sa ganitong klase ng usapan, I suggest na wag mo nang ipagpatuloy yung application kasi once na makapag-start ka, puro ganun yung makikita mo. And since we are working with dating sites, wala ka naman ding ibang choice kundi replyan yung mga messages na mag-receive mo. And that's our job. Ang mag-reply sa lahat ng messages na matatanggap natin. Nasa sa'yo naman kung sasakyan mo lahat ng bonggang-bonggang topic nila, and that's fine, mas maganda yon, mas mabilis ka makakapag-reply. Pero kung hindi mo siseryosohin yung trabaho ito, please, wag mo nang ipagpatuloy kasi ayaw natin masayangan ng logins. And then, wala naman kayong dapat ikatakot kasi tago yung identity ninyo. Gagamit tayo ng ibang profile, provided naman lahat ni company, so walang tayong ibang poproblemahin kundi ang mag-reply sa mga messages na matatanggap natin. So, rates, payout schedule, cut-offs, and mode of payment. Sa mode of payment, Union Bank lang po yung tinatanggap namin. Kung wala ka pong Union Bank, you can apply naman online. Just download the app and then register. Basta meron ka ng valid IDs na hinihingi nila, mabilis lang naman yung process. Pero kung wala at meron kang mahihiraman ng Union Bank account, pwede kang manghiram basta makukuha mo yung payout mo. And then, bawal kasi din yung sharing ng accounts. So, sharing yung agents. Kung meron kang kapatid, tas working kayo pareho under the same team, at gagamit kayo ng isang Union Bank, hindi siya pwede. And then, rates. Quantity of message per cut-off is 999 messages below is equivalent to 1.70 pesos per message. And then, 1,000 messages above is equal to 2 pesos per message. So, every cut-off, 1,000 message po yung ating quota. And then, kung hindi naman natin ma-hit yung quota is 1.7 yung ating rate. Makaka-payout tayo kahit hindi natin ma-reach yung quota. Yun nga lang, 1.70 yung rate natin. And then, ang cut-off natin is 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 31. Then, ang payout ng 1 to 10 is 20th of the same month. And then, yung 11 to 20 and 21 to after the last day of the month, ang payout niya is 10th na ng susunod na buwan. So, yun nga yung tatlong cut-off, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 after the last day of the month. Tapos, yung 11 to 20 and 21 after the last day of the month ay sabay yung payouts nila. And then, ayan, work schedule. We implement a flexible working schedule as long as you reach our required quota per day. Minimum of 4 hours per day for part-timers and minimum of 8 hours per day for full-timers. Minimum of 50 messages per day and 3 consecutive days of inactivity. The accounts are subject for withdrawal, deactivation, or suspension. If you are inactive for 3 consecutive days, you will receive RTWO or return to work order, and then after 24 hours without any response, your account will be withdrawn from you. And then best time to log in is between 11 p.m. to 2 p.m. the following day. And then agents are required to log in at least minimum of 11 days per cut-off. It should be 8 days. 7 to 8 days per cut-off. Since we have 10 days in one cut-off. And then you should inform respective DLs or supervisors about the chosen rest day and LOA. And then requirements, applicants must follow the strict guidelines and requirements. First is ORC registration. Sa ORC registration, yung TL or yung recruiter nyo na yung bahala dito. Pero para magawa nila yung ORC registration niyo, kailangan yung fill upan yung form na kasama ng video na ito at hihingin din sa form na to yung tatlong picture. First is yung picture ng inyong valid government ID. Second is yung updated selfie, and then third is yung selfie holding the ID or selfie holding your valid ID. Guys, sa selfie holding your valid ID, make sure na clear at nababasa yung pangalan nyo dun sa ID kasi kung hindi, papaulitin yan sa inyo. At kung ganon, mas matatagalan kayo bago sila makapag-request ng login sa inyo kung kakailanganin pang paulit yung mga pictures. And then, next is NDA or non-disclosure agreement. Yung NDA at yung pang number 5, yung short video clip telling the following information, full name, address as stated in the ID submitted, and why should we hire you. Ito ay ibibigay after nyo ng production training. So, after ng production training, meron kayong fill up na form. Nandun na si NDA at doon nyo rin i-upload yung inyong video. Then, next is applicant must pass the following exam. First is English Proficiency Exam and the MACCHAT. Yung English Proficiency Exam, nandito siya sa form na ito. At yung grammar exam yon. So, kailangan nyo lang siyang i-take and then i-screenshot yung result and then i-upload dito sa form. And then yung mock chat session, ito ay gagawin kasama ang inyong TL. So, sila yung magbibigay sa inyo nung exam. And then, sa mga nag-iisip na bakit kailangan ng picture and all, this is for requirements lang naman po. Well, kahit naman siguro saan tayo mag-apply ng trabaho, merong hinihinging requirements. And for the company's requirements, ito po yung hinihingi naming requirements. So, wala kayong dapat ikabahala dahil lahat ng information na manggagaling sa inyo is safe na itatago sa company's profile or sa company's system. So, wala tayong dapat ikabahala. Then, kung may question kayo or clarification about sa payment method or sa job description, you can ask your TL or me. Just PM me on Skype or in my Facebook at Dayan Lianite. At I will be glad to answer all your queries. So, hope to see you soon at the main GC. So, guys, thank you for listening this video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.